Assalamualaikum everyone, this is your own channel Learn with Concentration. So today I have brought a warm topic for you all, and that is heat. Let's dive deep down into this topic and learn its different aspects. So the topics which are to be discussed in today's session are: number 1, thermal expansion, which has three subparts: linear, superficial and volumetric expansion. Secondly, we have applications of the thermal expansion, in which we have the example of bimetallic thermostat. Now let's see what is thermal expansion. When we apply some amount of heat to a body, then its size or shape changes. This type of increment is known as the thermal expansion. As you can see the picture as well, that we have two cylinders. The first cylinder has a gas in it and a movable piston is attached to it as well. As we will start supplying heat to the cylinder, the molecules of gas will apply force to the walls and the piston of the cylinder. So, this is what it's written in the definition, that when we apply some amount of heat to a body, then its size or shape changes. And now over here in the cylinder, the size of the molecules is getting increased and they are increasing the volume of the cylinder. Now we have types of expansion, in which we have three types. Number 1 is linear, second is superficial and third is volumetric or cubical expansion. Let's talk about linear expansion. When we apply some amount of heat to a rod, then its length will be increased. This type of increment is called as the linear expansion. Actually, the linear expansion is related with the length. As you can see in the picture as well, that at 20 degrees Celsius, the length of the rod is 1 meter. But after supplying heat at 120 degrees Celsius, the length of the rod changes and it becomes 1.001 meter. Now we have superficial expansion. When we apply some amount of heat to a square or rectangle, then its area will be increased. This type of increment is known as the superficial expansion. Actually, superficial expansion is related to the area. Now we have the last type of expansion, that is volumetric expansion, and it is related to the volume. When we apply some amount of heat to a cube, then its volume will be increased. This type of increment is known as the volumetric or cubical expansion. Right here we have our next topic, that is applications of thermal expansion, and most importantly we have the best example of bimetallic thermostat. So let's start the construction and working of a bimetallic thermostat. So over here we have bimetallic thermostat and its definition. A device which is used to control the temperature at desired value is known as the bimetallic thermostat. So here we go, the construction and working of the bimetallic thermostat. Okay, right now I would like to tell you that you should concentrate over here because it's the main topic and it's quite easy. That's not that typical, but you have to concentrate before reaching this point. So, bimetallic thermostat consists of a thin strip which is made up of two metals. One end of bimetallic thermostat is fixed and the other end is connected to an external circuit. When the temperature rises, one metal of bimetallic strip wants to expand, but other does not. As a result, the bimetallic strip bends and disconnects external circuit. After some time, when the temperature falls down, and bimetallic strip comes back to its original position and connects with the external circuit. So this is how the bimetallic thermostat works. So last but not the least, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get my new videos soon. Thank you.